How are ya? You good? Great. Today I want to show you how to find your style as a photographer in the easiest way possible and in under 2 minutes, so let's find out how. Step number 1, find out what it is that you actually like to take photos of. Ask yourself right now, what do I like to take photos of? I'm waiting. Awesome, so now that you've found that one thing or a couple of things that you want to take photos of, go out as much as you can and take photos of that. This is going to help you find out exactly what you like to take photos of. Step number 2 is going to be how you take your photos. That might be whether you like taking photos in sunrise or sunset, when it's raining, what sort of weather conditions you like, or simply what sort of angles you like. Maybe you like to take a low angle of something, or maybe you like to take a really zoomed in shot or a wide shot of something, for example. So essentially this is going to help you find out how you like to take photos of the things that you like to take photos of. And step number 3 is editing. Ask yourself, what do I want people to feel when they see my images? For example, happy, sad, excited, or whatever you want them to feel. Have a look at this photo that I took. With this first edit, I wanted people to feel happy when they saw it. So to do this, I put the vibrance up and I made the color a bit more warmer to make it look like a nice summer's day. The second edit here is a bit more moody, and I really wanted to create a sense of coldness when people looked at this image, which I did by adding some blues and making the photo a little bit more darker. So take one photo and edit it 3 different times, and then out of those 3, find out which one you like the best. And this is going to get you one step closer to finding your style as a photographer. Alright, we're nearly at 2 minutes, we're nearly finished, but if you can take anything away from this video, it is do not let your style limit your photography. For example, if you like to shoot street photography all the time, you're always out taking street photos, don't think in your head that it's not alright for you to go out and take some nature photography, because at the end of the day, photography is about being creative, trying new things, and having fun. If you like this video, remember to click the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell so you don't miss any of my new videos. As always, stay inspired, keep creating, and I'll see you in the next one.